Hi everyone, I'm gonna teach you how to make ice candies. So first we got water and even mango juice. And if you don't have any juice in your house, you can still use the others. And even we got sugar, spoons, a glass to make sure the mixture won't spill. And don't forget, we have a funnel. So let's start making it. So how are we gonna make this is we are gonna put the mango juice inside the water. Then it will dissolve with the mango juice. So first, I'll put all the mango juice in there. So it will dissolve with it. Now it's dissolving. Now you stir it up so it can dissolve. We'll stir a lot because we put a lot. Look guys, the water dissolved with the mixture. But when we're done stirring, then we'll put the sugar. First we'll stir a little bit more. Now we're done stirring it. I'll put it here on a towel. Now I'll put all the sugar. Then I'll get the spoon and then I'll pour all the sugar in there. Just a little bit because we still have some more bowls. Now we'll stir it again and make it dissolve with it. And see the sugar because it's dissolved with the water. If it's good enough. It's good enough. Use the funnel so the juice doesn't spill out. And even this is the mold, which is an ice candy mold. And we will need a cup so it doesn't really spill. So first we'll put the juice in. Just a little bit. Okay. It's enough. Oh. It's all full up. Now, if you don't know how to tie, then you can ask your mom or dad to help, or your sister or brother. Now, mommy helped me tie it. So now we'll make the other ones. Well, my mommy already tied it, and now I already got one, guys. So now we'll put this aside first, then we'll make another one. So we'll do the same thing as we did. We'll put the funnel inside this hole. Then we're gonna hold it, then pour. So we'll use the funnel. Now I'll pour it in carefully. Okay, that's enough. Now I'll remove the funnel and I'll put it down. Then my mom is gonna tie it again. Here, mommy. I have 4 ice candies. Now we'll put it in the fridge. But first, we'll clean this mess up. I will put the ice candy in the freezer and let's see what will happen. So now we're gonna check on it later. We'll check on our ice candy that has been in the freezer for a few hours. Now we'll check on it. Look guys, the ice candy have frozen now. Now we'll see what it looks like. Look at her ice candy. It's now ask my sister to taste my ice candy.
Thank you, Sandra.
Welcome.
It's sweet.
Now I'll taste my ice candy. It's delicious. After a few minutes, my ice candy turned from a solid to a liquid. Now let's check on it if it's liquid. It's already